Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to Cambrian Virtual Classroom. I am here in front of you on favor of Cambrian Virtual Classroom, and today we will learn English for today, and this is for the students of 11th class student. Not only for them only, I can tell this class is also beneficial for the students of second year, but as we read English for today in first year, that is why I am telling this class is more useful for the students who are studying in class 11. And today we will learn SSC English first paper. On behalf of Cambrian Virtual Classroom, we always try to deliver our lecture on this platform in order to give a little support to the students as they are staying at home. They are attending their classes online from through different media like Cambrian Virtual Classroom, Kishore Batayan, like that. It's our effort, and I am also trying to make an effort. Whether it will be benefited for you or not, I think it will be benefited. And before going to the lecture, I am introducing myself a little bit about me. I am Abdul Razzaq Sarkar, Associate Professor, Department of English, Cambrian College, Dhaka. We are in the classroom. The classroom is designed for 11th class student, English for today, and we are going to enter into our main topics today. My dear students, what can you see here? You can see the great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the founding leader of Bangladesh. He is here delivering his bold speech in front of a huge gathering, and from there you can imagine what is our today's topic. And our today's topic is the unforgettable history, lesson number 1. And it's better to tell you that the lesson is very long, the text is very long. It's not possible for us to deliver whole lecture on the whole topics. That is why I have divided it into 3 different parts, and I have already delivered my first lecture on it, and there I taught partially the unforgettable history, and today I am starting the second part here. And before that, I am just checking whether the live is going on or not. Let me see here, and here is the notification for me. Let me check. Not here. Just let me check the live notification whether it is going on or not. I think okay, this is okay, it is going on. Okay, let us try. Okay, the unforgettable history, lesson number 2. As I have told, as the topic is very long, that is why we have divided it into 3 parts, and I have already delivered my first lecture, and this is my second lecture on that same topic, and it would be better for those students who have already joined my or watched my previous class, but don't worry if you missed those class, no matter. Now try to give attention in this topic, and we are trying to enter into the topic. We have some learning outcomes from here, and after reading the text, it will be possible for the students to read about the life sketch of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and they will also be able to know the significance of the 7th March speech. Similarly, they will also know how Pakistani rulers exploited us and explain Bengalis' fight against Pakistani rulers. You know that then Pakistani rulers behaved how you know it very well. They exploited us. You will be able to know about their exploitation here. We are going here. Look at several portraits. Our founding leader, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, is addressing a huge gathering, and you know he is addressing here his countrymen, his beloved countrymen, and the topic is based on his historical 7th March speech, which he delivered in Racecourse Maidan. Presently it is named Sohrawardi Udyan, and this huge gathering, and in front of them our leader is delivering his bold speech. He is giving them some message. He is giving the incidents that took place in the fate of Bangladesh. He was giving the message of all the struggles the Bengalis had to undergo. And here he is also, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was stating in front of them the declaration about independence. And you know, text reading is very important, and that is why I have included here text. That is why I have included here text, and I will try to make them easy to you. Let us go to the text now. Because all the questions will be set on the text. A text will be set and a set of questions will be from there. Suppose open-ended question, suppose make a summary of that passage or make a flowchart from that passage. So what is important? Passage reading is very important, and we have tried to read the whole passage by dividing it into 3 lectures. Look here. And before that speeches I had already delivered in my first lecture. After that I am starting here. Bangabandhu is addressing his beloved countrymen. He is telling, Mr. Bhutto came here. He carried out discussion with us. He had said that the doors of negotiation had not been shut and that there would be further negotiation. Bhutto ashlen and he carried out discussions. আলোচনা চালিয়েই যাচ্ছেন এবং বলছেন যে আলোচনার দ্বার এখনো বন্ধ হয়নি। এই ব্যাপারটা নিয়ে যে সমস্যা চলছে সেগুলো নিয়ে আরো আলোচনা হতে পারে। That means several times discussion took place, but all discussions were not valid or result showing different circumstances. They always postponed all those meetings or decisions. They were always breaking their promise. They were always violating those promises. And here again Bhutto came to Bangladesh and he carried out discussions, and he told that the door of discussion has not yet been shut down. We can again discuss and we can negotiate about that matter. And I then had talks with other leaders. I said to them, come and sit down with us. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman বললেন, আমি অন্যান্য নেতাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলেছি। I said to them, তাদেরকে বলেছিলাম, অ্যান্ড সিট ডাউন উইথ আস, এখানে আসেন এবং আমাদের সাথে বসেন। লেট আস ক্রিয়েট আ কনস্টিটিউশন ফর আওয়ারসেলস থ্রু ডিসকাশনস, আলাপ আলোচনার মাধ্যমে আমরা নিজেদের জন্য একটা শাসনতন্ত্র রচনা করি। বাট মিস্টার ভুট্টো declared that if West Pakistani members came here, the assembly would end up as a slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse, what is the meaning of that? কসাইখানা। কিন্তু তিনি বললেন যদি পাকিস্তানিরা এখানে আসে তাহলে এটা একটা কসাইখানায় পরিণত হবে। দ্যাট মিন্স হি থট অর হি ওয়াজ trying to give the message that if the Pakistani came to Bangladesh, they will be slaughtered by the Bengalis. He was indicating that, and just they were trying to show some excuse so that they do not have to sit with Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. They do not have to form any discussion with that matter. That was their target. And he was telling that everybody will be slaughtered by the Bengalis. He claimed that whoever came here would be slaughtered. যে এখানে আসবে তাকে জবাই করা হবে। All the members who will come here will be indiscriminately killed. That was his point. He was telling like that. He said that if anyone showed up here, all the shops from Peshawar to Karachi would be shut down. যদি কেউ এখানে আসে তাহলে পেশোয়ার থেকে শুরু করে করাচি পর্যন্ত সমস্ত দোকানপাট বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। He was trying to dissolve the meeting, dissolve the sitting. I declared that the assembly would continue to meet, but our iron man, our legendary leader Bangabandhu told that the assembly would continue. It will not be dissolved. I will be there. He was in his iron determination. তিনি বলছিলেন যে অধিবেশন চলবে। But suddenly on the 1st of March the assembly was shut down. কিন্তু হঠাৎ করেই মার্চ মাসের 1 তারিখে অধিবেশনের মুলতবি ঘোষণা করা, নট মুলতবি, বন্ধ করে দেয়া হলো, বাতিল করা হলো, পোস্টপন্ড করা হলো। Mr. Yahya Khan called the session of the assembly in his capacity as the president and declared I would be attending it. ইয়াহিয়া খান অধিবেশনটা ডেকেছিলেন প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবে, তার যে ক্ষমতা সেই ক্ষমতা বলে, এবং আমিও বলেছিলাম, বঙ্গবন্ধু বলেছেন, আমিও বলেছিলাম যে আমি সেখানে থাকব। And you know, here you have many difficult words and we should know it, and that is why I have included here some difficult words, and let us see what difficult words are waiting for you here. Here you have negotiation, here its meaning agreement. আলাপ আলোচনার মাধ্যমে একটা সহমতে পৌঁছানো, কোনো বিষয়ে রাজি হওয়া, এই ধরনের একটা বিষয়ে আসা। ফার্দার, আরও, এডিশনাল, আরও আলোচনা হতে পারে। ভুট্টো টোল্ড দ্যাট ফার্দার ডিসকাশন মে গো দেয়ার, আরও আলোচনা হতে পারে, এডিশনাল। হেয়ার ডিক্লেয়ার্ড, ঘোষণা করা, প্রক্লেইম, কোনো ঘোষণা করা, প্রক্লেইম, ঘোষণা করা, ডিক্লেয়ার্ড synonym of proclaim and declared, both of them are giving same meaning. It is meaning, and here this word we have got it in our textbook. Then slaughter, আমি বলেছি মেরে ফেলা নির্বিচারে, ব্রুটাল কিলিং, বর্বর, অসভ্য, জাতির মতো নির্বিচারে কাউকে মেরে ফেলা, হিউম্যান রাইটস ভায়োলেট করে, দ্যাট ইজ স্লেউটার, ব্রুটাল ক্লিং। অ্যান্ড হেয়ার ক্লেইম, ডিম্যান্ড, দাবি করা, আমাদের দাবি কি ছিল, তারা কি বলতো, তার পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে আমাদের দাবি কি, সেগুলো ক্লেইম, ডিম্যান্ড। অ্যান্ড শাট ডাউন, হেয়ার ইউ গট দিস ওয়ার্ড, শাট ডাউন, স্টপ। অ্যান্ড হেয়ার you have these words, and these are little bit difficult, or some students may know it, that is okay, but I have thought that these words will be very easy to you if I give the meaning. That is why here you have got the word meaning. And now we are skipping to the next slide. Let us see. Here you can see the leader, our Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, is with Bhutto, Pakistani leader, founder of People's Party of Pakistan, and our leader had to sit for talk several times, and this is one moment with Bhutto, and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is there, and we are talking about them. That is why the picture will help you to understand. And here you see different pictures shows torture inflicted by the then Pakistani rulers, Pakistani army on the Bengalis. They were not treating Bangladeshi as their own people. They thought us as animal. They always treated us with inhuman manner. They tortured us. They killed us indiscriminately. These are the symbol. These are some or partial picture of the torture by the Pakistani army on the Bengali. And here we are again going to read another slide which is with the text. Mr. Bhutto said he would not be part of it. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman told that he would be attending the assembly, but Bhutto declared that he would not be part of it. সে এই অ্যাসেম্বলিতে অংশগ্রহণ করবে না, ভুট্টো বললেন। 35 members of the assembly came from West Pakistan to take part in its proceedings. এই যে অধিবেশন চলবে সেটাতে অংশগ্রহণ করার জন্য অলরেডি পাকিস্তান থেকে 35 জন সদস্য কিন্তু এখানে এসেছিল, বাট ইট ওয়াজ ডিসলভড অল অফ এ সাডেন। হঠাৎ করেই সেটা ভেঙে দেয়া হলো, হঠাৎ করেই সেটাকে ভেঙে দেয়া হলো, ডিসলভড। দ্য ব্লেম ওয়াজ পুট অন দ্য পিপল অফ বেঙ্গল, দ্য ফিঙ্গার ওয়াজ পয়েন্টেড অ্যাট মি, অ্যান্ড I told you a little bit before that they are just trying to show some excuse, trying to extend some excuse so that they do not have to form any discussion. They are blaming our Bengalis, they are blaming our great leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and on that basis he dissolved the assembly. And after the assembly's session was prorogued, বাতিল হয়ে যাওয়া, যখন এই সেশনটা বাতিল হয়ে গেল, prorogued, the people of this country protested, এই দেশের লোকজন প্রোটেস্ট করলো, এর বিরোধিতা করলো। I told them, আমি তাদেরকে বলেছিলাম, আমার that means বঙ্গবন্ধু was addressing his countrymen, he was calling his countrymen to attend some message. What was that? He was telling them, observe the general strike we have called peacefully. আমরা যে সাধারণ হরতাল ডেকেছি, স্ট্রাইক ডেকেছি, সেটা তোমরা শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে পালন করবে। অবরোধ ডেকেছি, সেটাকে তোমরা শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে পালন করবে। Then I told them, shut down all mills and factories. I asked them to shut down all mills and factories. Then our people responded to my call. এবং আমার দেশবাসী সে কথা শুনেছে, তারা স্ট্রাইক করেছে শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে, তারা তাদের মিল কলকারখানা সব কিছু বন্ধ রেখেছে। বঙ্গবন্ধুর কথায় তার দেশবাসী সাড়া দিয়েছে। They expressed their firm determination to carry out the struggle peacefully. দেশবাসী তারাও কি করেছে, তাদের আয়রন ডিটারমিনেশন, প্রবল ইচ্ছা নিয়ে তারা সেটা পালন করেছে, চালিয়ে যাবে তাদের স্ট্রাগল শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে, এটা তারা করেছে। হোয়াট হ্যাভ উই গট ইন রিটার্ন? আমরা বিনিময়ে কি পেলাম? দোজ ইটস দ্য question from Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to himself and to his countrymen. Those who brought arms with our money to defend us, রক্ষা করা us from external enemies, বহিঃশত্রুর হাত থেকে, যারা আমাদেরকে বহিঃশত্রুর হাত থেকে রক্ষা করার জন্য অস্ত্র কিনেছিল আমাদের টাকায়, আর নাও ইউজিং দোজ আর্মস অন দ্য পুয়ার, তারা এখন সেই অস্ত্র ব্যবহার করছে গরিবদের বিরুদ্ধে, দ্য রেস্ট দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত তাদের বিরুদ্ধে, অ্যান্ড দ্য ডাউন ট্রোডেন হতদরিদ্র লোকজন, ডাউন ট্রোডেন হতদরিদ্র লোকজন, পিপল অফ দ্য ল্যান্ড এই দেশের হতদরিদ্র লোকজনের বিপক্ষে সেটা ব্যবহার করছে, গরিবদের বিরুদ্ধে দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত লোকজনের বিরুদ্ধে সেই অস্ত্র ব্যবহার করছে। অথচ এই অস্ত্র কেনা হয়েছিল আমাদের টাকা দিয়ে, আমাদেরকে বহিঃশত্রুর আক্রমণ থেকে রক্ষা করার জন্য। And here you also have some difficult words, and we are going to learn the word meaning of them, though I have already told you here. Here you have the word proceeding, action, work, যেটা চলছিল সেটার কথা বলা হচ্ছে proceeding, সেটার অগ্রগতিটা, অ্যাকশনটা, ওয়ার্কটা, কাজটা। dissolve, dismiss, বাতিল করে দেওয়া, postpone করে দেওয়া, you got this word in the passage. prorogue, adjourn, বাতিল করা, same word like. spontaneously, automatically, স্বতঃস্ফূর্তভাবে, all people from all walks of life were responding to the call of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman spontaneously. They were not forced by anybody. Bangabandhu never forced them to do that. He called to hear him, and they spontaneously responded Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's call. And here raised, miserable, দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত, হতদরিদ্র, and downtrodden, oppressed, নির্যাতিত লোকজন. All these difficult words are there, and we have already read a part of, I think, a major part of the topics, and now I am also trying to add something more. Here you can see the portrait picture of war of liberation and freedom fighters, inspiring pictures, inspiring portrait, or inspiring monument. And here you can see our great leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman with some other leaders also. And here Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is standing second from left on bottom row. This is the bottom row, and this our great leader, founding leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is here. When the picture has been taken in the cabinet of A.K. Fazlul Haq in East Bengal 1954. That portrait was of the cabinet of A.K. Fazlul Haq in East Bengal in 1954. And after that we are sliding to the next lesson, and here you can also see the other text. Here we will read again a part of text, and I'm just before that I'm looking it whether the live program is running. I think it is running. All okay, thank you. Okay, I'm ready. I have had a talk with Mr. Yahya Khan. Bangabandhu is telling that he is in the talk with Mr. Yahya Khan. তার সঙ্গে কথা বলেছিলেন বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান। I told him, Mr. Yahya, you are the president of Pakistan. Come and observe how the people, poor people of my country are being mowed down, নির্বিচারে হত্যা করা, মেরে ফেলা, গণহারে মেরে ফেলা। তিনি বলেছিলেন যে আপনি প্রেসিডেন্ট, আপনি এই দেশে আসেন এবং দেখেন কিভাবে আমার নিরীহ লোকজনকে কি করা হচ্ছে, মোড ডাউন, নির্বিচারে মেরে ফেলা হচ্ছে উইথ বুলেটস, গুলি করে। তারপরে আরও বলেছেন, কাম অ্যান্ড সি, আসেন এবং দেখেন, হাউ আওয়ার মাদার্স আর বিং ডিপ্রাইভড অফ দেয়ার চিলড্রেন, কিভাবে আমাদের মায়েদের কোল খালি করা হচ্ছে। আপনি আসেন এবং দেখেন, হাউ মাই পিপল আর বিং ম্যাচাকার্ড, কিভাবে গণহত্যা করা হচ্ছে আমার লোকজনের উপরে। আপনি আসেন এবং দেখেন। দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য ইনভাইটেশন টু ইয়াহিয়া খান টু সি, to come and to see the present situation of Bangladesh. Come, observe, and only then pass a judgment on what is going on. আপনি আসেন পর্যবেক্ষণ করেন এবং তারপরই সঠিক বিচার যেটা হয় সেটা আপনি করেন। This was his earnest invitation to Yahya Khan. Round table. Here he has apparently said, সুস্পষ্টভাবে ইয়াহিয়া খান বললেন, said that I had agreed to attend round table conference on the 10th of March. বঙ্গবন্ধু বলছেন, আমি নাকি আগে বলেছিলাম যে 10th মার্চের রাউন্ড টেবিল গোল টেবিল বৈঠকে আমি তাদের সাথে বসবো। এই কথাটা কে বললেন? ইয়াহিয়া খান বললেন যে বঙ্গবন্ধু রাজি হয়েছিল 10 মার্চে কনফারেন্স টেবিলে গোল টেবিলে বসার জন্য। তারপর বঙ্গবন্ধু ক্লিয়ার করছেন, ডিডন্ট আই সে আ লং টাইম ব্যাক, আমি কি অনেক আগেই বলে দেইনি? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য পয়েন্ট অফ অ্যানাদার রাউন্ড টেবিল কনফারেন্স, আবার আর একটা গোল টেবিল বৈঠকের কি প্রয়োজন, আমি কি বলে দেইনি? হু উইল সিট উইথ, কার সাথে আমরা বসবো? তিনি প্রশ্ন করছেন যে আমরা যে গোল টেবিল বৈঠকে বসবো, কার সাথে বসবো? শুড আই সিট উইথ দোজ হু হ্যাভ শেড দ্য ব্লাড অফ মাই পিপল, আমাদের কি উচিত সেই সমস্ত লোকদের সাথে রাউন্ড টেবিল বৈঠকে বসা যারা আমার ভাইদের রক্তপাত ঘটিয়েছে, যারা আমার ভাইয়ের উপরে গণহত্যা চালিয়েছে, তাদের সাথে কি বসা উচিত? It's a question to himself, and the question is thrown in front of the countrymen. Actually, he is letting the Pakistani rulers to know what is going to tell. He has suddenly dissolved the assembly without carrying out any discussions with me. তিনি বললেন, হঠাৎ করে তিনি অ্যাসেম্বলি বন্ধ করে দিলেন আমার সাথে কোনো ধরনের আলোচনা না করে। After sitting in a secret meeting for 5 hours, he gave a speech where he has put all the blame on me. তারা 5 ঘন্টা ধরে একটা গোপনে বৈঠক করে। সেই বৈঠকের পরে তারা সিদ্ধান্ত দেয় যে অ্যাসেম্বলিটা তো বন্ধ হয়ে গিয়েছে, কেন বন্ধ হলো? সমস্ত দোষ দেয়া হলো বঙ্গবন্ধুর উপরে। Put the blame on me. He had even blamed the Bengali people. They were not blaming only Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. They were also blaming the common people of Bangladesh, downtrodden people, oppressed people of Bangladesh. They were blaming them. That means they are making different types of excuses so that they don't have to give us justice, give our demand, fulfill our demand. They are thinking that this is their country, we are from outside, we are not the owner of this country, we don't have any right. That was the thought of them. They were trying to establish them, but our legendary leader, our great leader, founding leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was not that person to surrender to them. That is why he was always declaring his boldness, bold speech, showing his boldness in front of them, even at the point of bullet. And we will now learn some word meanings here. Look at the meanings. Mow down, indiscriminate killing, নির্বিচারে হত্যা করা, কোনো বাদ বিচার না করে মেরে ফেলা। এই ওয়ার্ডটা তোমরা পেয়েছো আগের প্যাসেজে। The people of Bangladesh are being mowed down. But Yahya Khan, come here and see it, Bangabandhu told. Indiscriminate killing. Mow down, indiscriminate killing. Then deprive, deny, depriving. That means they are Pakistani rulers are depriving us from different corners, and they are depriving us. That means they are denying our rights, denying our human rights, humanity, or other facilities which we should have as human beings. Here you have another word, massacre. Widespread bloodshed. Massacre means widespread bloodshed, গণহত্যা। Apparently, সুস্পষ্টত, clearly, apparently. Yahya Khan told apparently that our Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman agreed to attend another gold table conference. অ্যাপারেন্টলি সুস্পষ্টত ক্লিয়ারলি বলেছিলেন ডিসলভড ডিসকন্টিনিউ দে discontinued many things. From here we knew it that they dissolved many things, dissolved many assembly, many times the assembly, dissolved many meeting. Discontinue, blame, accuse, কাউকে দোষ দেয়া, এই কাজটা তারা করছিল। And again we are entering into the text, and here বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান and is surrounded by his beloved countrymen, and whole Bangladesh was moving with meeting and with processions. Everywhere there was meeting and procession. They were inspired by the call of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The whole country was moving by meeting and procession. It's a part of them. And people from all walks of life were taking part in the liberation war, whether they were poor, rich, educated, uneducated, no matter. All of them were taking part in liberation war. They were taking oath to liberate this country. They wanted to liberate this country from the class of then Pakistani rulers. And here this portrait shows a part of them. Again we are watching here some pictures which shows torture inflicted on the Bengali by the Pakistani rulers. They were indiscriminately killing Bengalis. They are actually they are doing massacre. They are doing the slaughtered work in our country. Actually they themselves created Bangladesh as a slaughterhouse. Again we are in the text. My brothers, addressing Bangabandhu to the countrymen. My brothers, the assembly has been called into session on the 25th of March. মার্চ মাসের 25 তারিখে অ্যাসেম্বলি ডাকা হয়েছে। But the blood spilled on our streets has not yet been dried. রক্তপাত হওয়া, স্পিল্ড রক্তপাত করা, এখন পর্যন্ত রক্তপাত হওয়ার যে ঘটনা, রক্ত যেটা পড়েছে রাজপথে এখনো শুকিয়ে যায়নি। বঙ্গবন্ধু ইজ টেলিং দ্যাট অ্যাবাউট দ্য 10th of this month, এই মাসের 10 তারিখে I have told them, আমি তাদেরকে বলেছিলাম, মুজিবুর রহমান won't join the round table conference because that would mean wading over the blood that has been shed. wading পারিয়ে যাওয়া। বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান told them, মুজিবুর রহমান এই কনফারেন্সে যোগদান করবে না, কারণ যদি যোগদান করে সেটা হবে তার ভাইয়ের রক্ত পাড়িয়ে পা দিয়ে মারিয়ে সেই মিটিংয়ে যাওয়া। এটা ডিসঅনারেবল ফর দ্য কান্ট্রিম্যান। হি ওয়াজ নট দ্যাট টাইপ অফ পিপল, দ্যাট টাইপ অফ লিডার, দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াই হি ক্লিয়ারলি লেট দেম নো that he was not attending that conference. Assembly, and although you have called the assembly into session, you will have to listen to my demands first. যদিও আপনি অ্যাসেম্বলি ডেকেছেন, প্রথমত সর্বপ্রথম আমার ডিমান্ড, আমার দাবি তোমাদেরকে শুনতে হবে। ইউ উইল হ্যাভ, অ্যাকচুয়ালি দোজ স্পিচ ইজ সো বোল্ড স্পিচ, when anybody listen to it or when anybody learn or hear about it, he will be inspired. He will be in such a mood, that means he will be in an angry mood. Actually what have been done on us by the Pakistani rulers. You will have to withdraw martial law. সামরিক শাসন তুলে নিতে হবে। You will have to return all army personnel to their barracks. সমস্ত সৈন্যকে ব্যারাকে, তাদের সেনা ছাউনিতে ফিরিয়ে নিতে হবে। And you will have to transfer power to the representatives of the people. এবং জনগণের নির্বাচিত প্রতিনিধির কাছে ক্ষমতা হস্তান্তর করতে হবে। That was the demand, that was the logical demand placed before them by বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান. It is only then that I will decide whether we will take our seats in the assembly or not. এই ডিমান্ডগুলো যদি ফুলফিল হয়, only then we will think whether we will sit in the meeting or assembly or not. তারপরে আমরা চিন্তা করব যে আমরা এই মিটিংয়ে বসবো কি বসবো না, তারপরে চিন্তা করব। At first listen to my demand and fulfill it, then we will think whether we will be part of the conference, round table conference or not. Not round table conference, part of assembly or not. And from this passage you have got here many vocabulary, difficult vocabulary. What are they? Spill, shed, exude. Conference, shed, রক্তপাত ঘটানো। Conference, meeting or discussion, meeting অথবা আলোচনা। Wading, cross difficultly, cross করে যাওয়া, রক্ত পাড়িয়ে মারিয়ে যাওয়া, wading, cross difficultly. Withdraw, remove, দূর করা, তুলে নেওয়া, take away, withdraw the martial law at first. Investigate, inspect. Representative, deputy, প্রতিনিধি, প্রতিনিধির কাছে ক্ষমতা হস্তান্তর করো। Only after then we will take decision whether we will sit with you or not, we will attend the assembly or not. All those demands were placed by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman before the then Pakistani rulers, and from here you have known what actually what in discrimination did and what exploitation was inflicted to the Bangladeshis, what torture was done to Bengalis. All these things are clear here, and Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was handling all the situation with iron determination and delivered his iron speech, and all this part is part of his historical 7th March speech, and it is the second part of my lecture. The other part will be in our third lecture, that would be. And before going there, as you have already completed the text for today and you can evaluate yourself, that means it's better to evaluate yourself by throwing this type of question, and you can make some questions or try to answer this type of question. Look, who is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? You should try to answer it. And here these are called open-ended question. You can write something more. You have some definite information and you can write it in many sentences, or you can make it also short, but you will have to write it, and you have right to include elements whether it would be more or less. What is the significance of his speech? Try to find out the importance of his speech. How was it? Why did Pakistani rulers exploit us? What was their reason? They exploited us, but try to find out the reasons. What was those reasons of exploiting us? How did we gain our independence? Finally we got our independence, but through what we have gained it? Try to write them, and that would be the task as your evaluation task. And not only that, you can form some group 1, group A or group 2, and you can discuss this in groups. Group A, the Pakistani rulers were totally immoral in their activities. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Explain in group. Group A, they will do it, and group B, they will also do it in their own, and in group work can be done, and this type of questions can be set for the group work. And as you are staying at home, and we can also do some homeworks like that. Here one homework has been added here. Write a paragraph on the major events leading to March. It is very important paragraph. You know, in your first paper you have an item which is called writing paragraph or paragraph writing. 10 marks will be there, so you should take preparation on paragraph writing, on the importance of 7th March speech. And that is all today. I think I have tried my level best, and you have enjoyed my class, and I will again be here on next Thursday at 2 p.m. And I wish you will also be with me. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you everybody. Thank you.